subscribe to M.Laskar and click on this bell icon for latest technologies video update.
Hello friends, today I made a new tutorial how to download Windows 11 and how to bootable your Windows 11. Friends, you simple method use. I hope you tutorial this enjoy and useful tutorial. Let's start now. Friends, simply open your any browser. I am open my Google Chrome browser. Okay, and simply type Windows 11. I type Windows 11 and the option Windows 11 ISO direct download link, simply enter, click on. First option your Windows 11 download link and simply tab on first option. Okay, simply click on, and now this website is open. Sometime wait, the website is open and simply easily scroll down. Okay, slowly scroll down, and now click on this download Windows 11 ISO file. Click on this and scroll down. Friends, now simply scroll down and find your Windows download 11 download link. Okay, simply scroll down, and now this find download link. Click on simply download any other link. Okay, click on. Simply scroll down, and now this first link not click for this link. Okay, this link simply tab on this. Okay, this link, not for any other link, simply this link, click on and easily download your Windows 11. Friends, I am already downloaded this Windows 11. Now as you can see, download Windows 11. Now downloaded Google Chrome. I already. Now as you can see, this Windows file is 4.5 GB. Okay, this Windows 11 is work or not work. Simply click on the computer now, and this Windows is 11. Okay, simply double click, tab on, double click. Okay, now Windows 11 file is open. Click on simply setup file. Simply click on your setup file. Now supported or not supported and not installed your Windows 7 and install it, then setup, click on, and sometime wait. Now as you can see, this Windows, okay, of preparing. Friends, you sometime wait, if preparing is complete, then show Windows 11 installation. Now this and Windows this install Windows 11. Friends, that's as you can see, this Windows 11. Friends, I hope you simply download Windows 11 and install your computer. Friends, I made a next video how to bootable Windows 11. Friends, thanks for watching and continue watching and install Windows 11 your computer. I hope you enjoy this tutorial, and please like, comment, share, and don't forget subscribe. Thanks for watching.